Hello, MPS staff. I've been hearing a lot about um, EDPUZZLE being a great resource during our online learning modules, and I just wanted to review some other features. Beyond just editing, I know some teachers have been letting me know that some students are having issues signing in, and that they want to be able to import them into their classrooms. So let me just quickly share my EDPUZZLE screen with all of you. So let's say we're here. You want to make your new assignment, and you say, okay, and you just want to post on Google Classroom, you will post right here. Let me just make sure I annotate that for you guys. So right here, when you post something, when you're ready to go, you're going to post that on Google Classroom. And this is where you can see where your students have answered or not answered. And if they're having issues, you can just reset progress, and that should, if they try to get in and couldn't get it or finish it, just reset it. That gives them the opportunity to do it again, and that should be what you need for that one as well. So remember, you can, if you want to make a new video, and you go back, so let's say you're looking to do a new video, so you go to content. Let's just say, for example, Mount Rushmore Kids is great. You don't decide to edit it or anything. Oh, I apologize. Let me just erase that. And you like this video, you don't need to edit it at all. So you just go to assign. You're going to push assign, and then you can click. If you have 10th grade humanities, 9th grade humanities that you want to see this video, push that out, push the due date. Here is an option to put on captions for students as well. And using this feature, you should be able to do captions in other languages as well. And then right here, you said you pushed the class. So you say you push the class. I want it to go to my advisory, post on Google Classroom. You do that right there, and then you just assign. And that is how you do it. Okay, team, let me know if this helps. And that is how to import or to reset students on your Google Classroom. And if you want to import students, remember, just go to your Google Classroom and import kids. Have a good one. Thank you. And goodbye, team.